Hey there! Welcome to today's English lesson. You're listening to Talkie Talkie. Easy English and real talk. Let's chat about real life. Hey there! Welcome back to Talkie Talkie. I'm really happy you're here with me today. Today, let's talk about something simple, something we all can do: walking. And why? I love walking instead of driving. Sounds simple, right? But for me, walking is more than just moving my feet, it's about feeling alive. Let's dive in. When I was a kid, I walked everywhere: to school, to the park, to my friends' houses. It wasn't special, it was just normal life. But as I grew up, cars became important. Everyone drove everywhere, even to places just 5 minutes away. At first, I liked driving. It was fun, it was fast, it was easy. But over time, I realized something. Driving made me stressed. Traffic, noise, parking problems. One day I thought, maybe I should walk again. And that small decision changed my life. Walking is simple, but powerful. First, it's free. No gas, no tickets, no parking fees. Second, it's good for my health, my heart, my body, my mind. When I walk, I breathe better. I think better. I feel better. Driving is fast, but stressful. You sit in traffic. You wait at red lights. You search for parking. Walking is slow, but peaceful. You hear birds. You see flowers. You notice small things. Things you miss when you drive fast. Let me tell you a little story. One morning, last spring, I decided to walk to the park. It was early. The sun was soft. The air was cool. As I walked, I heard birds singing. I saw a cat sleeping by a shop window. I smelled fresh bread from a bakery. I smiled to myself. When I got to the park, I sat under a tree. I just listened. I just breathed. No phone, no car, no noise. Just me and the world. It was simple, but perfect. Walking gives me freedom. When I walk, I can turn left. I can turn right. I can stop and look at a flower, or sit on a bench. No rules, no rush. Just steps, breaths, moments. And I love that. Walking teaches me patience. It teaches me to slow down, to notice life. When I drive, I'm thinking about speed, destination, deadlines. When I walk, I think about the sky, the colors of flowers, the laughter of children, the smell of fresh rain. Walking teaches me to live. What about you? Do you like walking? When was the last time you took a walk? Just to enjoy it? Not to go somewhere fast. Not for exercise, but just to walk. Maybe today, after this episode, you can take a small walk. Feel the air, see the sky, smile at the world. Trust me, it's magic. So yes, this is why I love walking instead of driving. It's simple, it's free, it's peaceful, it's powerful. Thank you for walking with me today on Talkie Talkie. Let's review the words. Walk means moving with your feet. Drive means using a car to go somewhere. Traffic is many cars together, moving slowly. Peaceful means calm and quiet. Breathe means to take air into your lungs. Freedom is being able to do what you want. Noise means loud and unwanted sounds. Bakery is a place where they make bread and cakes. Destination means the place you are going. Patience means waiting calmly without getting angry. Thanks for listening to Talkie Talkie. I hope you enjoyed our little chat. If you liked it, come back for more real-life English. Spoken slow, spoken real. Like the episode, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new talk. See you next time.